welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, also known as Mindsetandmascara, and we need to talk about a few things. I put in this kind of beginning thing which shows me doing absolutely nothing. I'm basically trying to get ready for the video because I wanted to talk about a few things. Unfortunately, my channel is going to be changing. I originally wanted to keep this nails and makeup because I do have a big passion for makeup. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen. I start nail school in 3 weeks and it will be full time. So I won't have very much time in my day, and what time I will have in my day will be focused on practicing because this is going to be my job, or my career. So I need to focus on that. And so this channel is going to be focused solely on nails. I do understand if you didn't sign on for that because, and you wanted makeup and that's what you came here for. I will not be upset if you decide to unsubscribe because I am making a change. So, right in the middle of everything. The name of my channel will be changing. I don't know what yet. For the time being, I am going to be filling in with beauty videos, mainly because I haven't started school yet. So if you want to stay up until, a couple weeks from now, when I start doing solely nail videos, then I will understand. I made this decision, not lightly because, I was sitting there thinking, I'm going to be going to school from Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 4 o'clock. So, and then right after that, I'm going to be picking up my daughter and coming home and finishing stuff here. So really I only have a couple of days of doing videos. So when I film, it's either going to be a nail video or a vlog video. What I'm wanting to do is kind of not really catalog, but follow my nail school journey. And I think I'm going to start doing kind of, impromptu vlogs or, just commentary videos on that. If you have any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in here and let you know about that. So without further ado, let's get started on this video. All right, so let's get started. Right now I am putting forms on. This is the first time I've used forms, and I've been watching Young Nails and other YouTubers or nail tubers, and I think I finally got the hang of putting a form on. So my nails came out pretty straight too. Oops. I always do that. Okay, and with this, I am just putting on a clear acrylic. Why am I putting on a clear acrylic? It's just a very, very thin coat. This one was thicker than the other ones that I did. I don't know why I did it this thick, but this, I'm just putting on a thin coat of clear because I'm going to be using black acrylic. It's going to be the NotPolish 03 in black. And the reason why is because it will stain, and you will see towards the end that it did leave a little bit of staining on my finger. Now, I haven't gotten to the point where I do not get acrylic everywhere. I'm going to reiterate, I am not a professional yet. I haven't started school yet. So this is me just playing around and trying to learn a little bit before I start school. Okay, so please, please, please don't come at me. And another thing is, yes, that cover over my wrist guard is in the wash right now because I saw this and I was like, this is disgusting. Anyway, so this is just me putting on the black acrylic, and this acrylic is so pigmented. I have used the Mia's Secret acrylic and monomer, but I didn't really like it. I couldn't really manipulate it, mainly because I'm just starting out. So I had watched a video that Sarah's Nail Secrets put out, and she suggested that the NotPolish brand would be very good for a beginner. So I have decided that I am just going to be using NotPolish from here on out. I may go into Glam and Glitz or, you know, some of the other acrylics, but for right now I'm going to do NotPolish because it was so easy to manipulate, and my nails turned out way better than I thought they would. They were a lot smoother. So yeah, I'm going to be using NotPolish from now on. Anyway, so this is just me finishing this finger, and then I'm going to go into, I didn't show this in the last time, I'm using Young Nails Protein Bond, and before this I used a, I put 2 coats of the protein bond. I used a dehydrator before this. I wanted to show you on this nail because I completely skipped it on the other one. So I'm just showing you the bottle. It's a really tiny bottle, but I mean, my nails are like on there. So I'm now I'm cleaning my brush off, and then I'm putting that really thin coat, now as you can see it's a lot thinner, of the clear acrylic, and then I go in with the black. Now let me reiterate this to you. I am a beginner. I tried desperately to do an ombre on this nail and I failed. So, I mean, it did end up coming out okay, but yeah, it's not the greatest. This is the NotPolish Boss Lady Glitter in number 135, or sorry, Boss Lady acrylic in number 135. That's what I end up putting on the nail for my ombre. It's gorgeous, and I need to get some more of these acrylics because I am loving them. I want to get every color now, but yeah, you'll see what I mean when I talk about like the worst ombre known to man. But I tried, and as you can see, I failed, but it ended up coming out okay. My nails end up turning out a little bit thicker than what I would have wanted, but like I said, learning, and I am honestly very happy with the way that they turned out. So there we go. There's the worst, the world's worst ombre. I'm doing stilettos, as if you can't tell, because that's just my absolute favorite shape. I absolutely love stilettos. I will do some other shapes, just not right now. I'm keeping these nails on for the foreseeable future because I'm going to be starting to do videos on my practice hand. See, this is me just trying to get it to ombre, and it looked like total crap, but I did end up filing it because I forgot to put a clear cap on it, and then I had to redo the red, but that ended up being a good thing because this ombre was horrible. So don't forget the clear cap. Just letting you know. I'm only going to show you me filing down the thumb because the rest of the time, or the rest of the, if you hear that noise, I'm sorry, I'm shaking the table. The rest of the nails I did not get very well because I just didn't. I wasn't paying attention to the camera. I was more enthralled in what I was doing than with the camera. So next time I will pay attention to the camera. I'm just getting used to this. Also, it took me a lot less to do this set on acrylic than it took me for the polygel nails. Okay, so I may use polygel again. I'll have to because I'm gonna be learning everything in this school. My school is a little bit more expensive because they teach you extensive learning, like every median. So you're not just kind of pigeonholed into one median. But right now you're just seeing me. I even everything out with the drill, you know, kind of get the bulk down off the nail. And then I grab a 100 grit file, which is the young nail file right there, and just completely kind of continue to do the shape of the nail. I take off some of the underside and get it, you know, a little more even. And then I go over top the nail just to kind of even that out a little bit. And then after that, I'm sorry, I don't talk this much. And my throat ends up getting really tight. So then after that, I usually take a buffer and just kind of buff everything. This is the NotPolish Gloss It coat. It's the glossy top coat. This is a really pretty top coat. It's very, very shiny, and it has stayed very shiny. So on this nail, oh wait, no, I showed the ombre nail first. Isn't that pretty? I love it when you put top coat on because it just looks so pretty. And then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. This is me just picking out my rhinestones. These are, sorry, they are not rhinestones, they are crystals. These are Swarovski crystals. I don't know the color name. I'm going to have to get it and figure out what it is, but I don't know it just yet. And then I take out my resin. I'm going to get a different nail resin. I do have a Beamy nail resin. I don't know if I want to use that though, because it's a quick, it's a quick drying resin, and I'm not exactly fast at this yet. So I do have that. I don't know if I'm going to use that. Once I get my license, I think I'm going to get the Ugly Duckling Stick It and use that as my resin for the thing. But this one works really good. I'm not saying this isn't good. I just brush that on. You know how I am. I brush that on and then I brush the top coat. I didn't know what I was going to do, and then I ended up just putting the crystals in like an S form on the nail, and I do speed this up 4 times because it takes a while to kind of place all the gems on there. So I think that's 4 times. Oh no, sorry, it's 2 times. But these are so pretty. I am now going to use Swarovskis from now on because the shine on it, the reflectiveness on it is just gorgeous. So I did that on both pointer fingers, and then I'm going to, on my ring finger, I'm going to put a chrome that is actually pretty freaking cool. So let's get through this. Okay, so now I'm putting a top coat on, and then I am going to cure that for 30 seconds. I don't know if I did it between 20 and 30. You can't cure it too much because if you over cure it, the chrome will not stick. So 20 to 30 seconds, and then kind of brush off. This is the NotPolish C309 in Royalty Sky. this is a pretty cool product because you can use it as a chrome, an acrylic, or a dip. It's really neat. So I used it as a chrome today, and I got this lovely blue chrome. So gorgeous. And then after that, I didn't show my thumb or my pointer finger, or my pinky, because I just put crystals on the cuticles, and then I put cuticle oil on it, and that is it. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the family, and hopefully I will still be posting 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and get better at this nail tuber thing. So they came out gorgeous. Look at them. All right, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.